May last question po, Bali, nakikita po yung ng mga fans nyo na you're doing good together, kumbaga you're so close together, the friendship's still there. Marami rin po nagtatanong ng mga fans nyo po kung merong bang love for a second time around. May pag-asa pa po ba kung sakali?
I don't know kung may pag-asa because that depends on God, that depends on Pops and I, but definitely we won't get back together just because the fans like it. I mean, that's the wrong reason to stay together. We're fooling you, we're fooling ourselves. So, para sa akin, kung yan ang talagang destiny namin, after lahat ng dinaanan namin, the good and the bad, the learning experiences, baka mamaya at the end of the day, we'll realize we really belong together after we've lived our lives already. To grow old and die together, who knows? We don't know, only God knows.
Pero how close you are po? Yung friendship na nasang level na po ngayon?
We're very close. I think every time that we do things like this, and especially in front of all of you, we learn, like she didn't know I wrote that song for her. She didn't know how I wrote that song for her. She didn't know how I reacted after the annulment. It had to take one of your questions to bring it out. Sometimes it's the fans in the show. Sometimes it's the music. Sometimes it's what the spiel that comes out during a show that we realize so many things about each other. It's really, really weird. I don't know any other couple that has that kind of, I call it magic. So even I look forward to our next show and the next one after that kasi hindi ko alam kung anong ibang magic ang darating.
Sir Mark, bali, first time to work with Regine and Ogie. Dati po pagka may concert ng Valentine's, bali magkalaban kayo. Ngayon you're together.
That's true.
Ano pong masasabi niyo po doon na ngayon ay combine
that's very
kayo?
True. I didn't even think about that. Maybe that's why your tickets are going very well. Dahil palagi kami nagtapatan ba? Tama ba yun? Sa Valentine's. Actually lahat. The competition in Valentine's is great because it's the best time for entertainers to entertain. The musicians get double rates. So it's time to work for everyone. But you're right. Maybe that's why we're doing so well na instead of going against each other, sama-sama naman this year.
Pero naisip niyo po ba na magiging successful yon in spite na, kumbaga, before, di ba, magkakalaban, ngayon magkakasama kayo. Inisip niyo na, sige nga, itry natin baka maging successful. Ngayon po, nakita niyo sold out ng ticket. Diba?
We never even thought of that. That's why we have a second press con. We really didn't. That should show all of you that we were scared. Takot kami to do a show nowadays. Even kahit apat kami, baka palpak yung ticket sales. So, nagdalawang press con. Hindi naman pala kailangan ng second press con.
Kasi sold out na nga raw.
Something like that. I mean, we never expected it. So, I speak for myself. I wasn't even thinking about the money part of it. I just wanted to work with them. Also, we should give credit to the audience, to the fans, because they now have matured. Dati, ayoko kay Martin dahil nagtatapatan sila sa isang concert ni Regine or ni Ogie. Ngayon, oh my God, 4 for the price of 1? I'm watching that show.
Sir, balik lang po tayo dun sa wedding ni Paula and Sam. Ano po yung pinaka-memorable or pinaka-highlight na nangyari? Kasi syempre marami rin nag-aabang kung ano yung nangyari during that wedding kasi hindi naman siya in public.
You have to watch their vows. They wrote their own vows but palagi silang nag-adlib. You can see they're just dying to get this over with and get to their marriage already. They want to be husband and wife already. So very candid. Well, hindi mo na makikita yung tension, yung talagang kasama sa isang kasal, no? Makikita mo yung desire for each other, enjoyment, fun, candid, the real Paolo and the real Sam, not Paolo playing the role of a groom, Sam playing the role of a bride. Talagang nagiging sila obvious sa lahat, sa marami, na in love sila sa isa't isa.
Tapos nakita nyo rin po ba na getting emotional yung friend niya si Gary and Miss Angeli po during that time?
Yeah, well, I was there more of a moral support. I mean, Gary asked me to be part of it, sang a song for the first dance, and I did the party after. I hosted a little bit of the, what they call the Rockyoke and all of that. I wanted to step back from my brother because it's his moment, it's his son, it's not my son. I wanted to write a song also for my niece, Sam, but I wanted to step back and let Gary shine because this is his moment with his son. Whatever he needs me for, I'm there.
Thank you, sir.